Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today here at Two Wheel Thunder TV. We're at the Dealers Expo in Indianapolis, Indiana. A great crowd of people here today. This segment is brought to you by Riding On Magazine. We're here with Wayne from Powersports, and he's going to tell us about his products today and give us a heads up on all the new equipment they got. Wayne, we appreciate you joining us today.
Thank you for inviting me. Appreciate
Take care. Tell us what you got here. You got some amazing products here.
Well, we've been in business since 1963. We've been designing bulbs. We actually build our own bulbs, so that a little bit different than some of our competition, because we actually have our own gas technology. We have our own filament technology, so we can actually tweak some of the gas technology to produce a brighter bulb that is exactly the same wattage and heat range as a stock bulb.
Well, that's nice, because you need that visibility and you need to be able to see.
Exactly, and you don't want to have higher wattage in your bike. All OE bikes are designed for a certain amount of wattage. That reflector is. It used to be many years ago you'd put in these big, huge wattage bulbs to get more light out. Well, that causes heat problems. So what we've done is went back to a stock bulb, but produce more light because of gas technology. I can show you some of the bulbs that we have.
Okay.
Just to let you know, kind of give you an idea. This is a stock bulb. This is a stock bulb. Most factories use. It's been around for a lot of years. Tends to be in a lower Kelvin, so it tends to be kind of a yellowish tint.
Okay.
Very common. So what we've done is, with some gas changes and some filament technology changes, we've been able to have the same wattage, same heat range, same everything, yet produce.
Oh, that's much brighter.
Much brighter light. What that equates
and less
to,
heat.
Yeah, and less heat, exactly. And no changes from the factory bulb. In other words, exactly the same.
It's going to mount right in.
Exactly the same. No difference. The biggest advantage to a motorcyclist is Bambi. Anything on the side of the road, signs, markers, somebody's muffler, we've all seen that. A lighter, whiter light, closer to sunlight, will illuminate that so much faster.
Mm-hmm.
So that's our biggest, kind of our whole technology, and our whole purpose is to make visibility to be seen and to see for the rider. Safety, period.
Well, safety is vitally important on a bike, because
Yes.
there's not much between you and the road.
Exactly.
And that asphalt itch sometimes can be a hazardous to your health.
Yes, it can. And
That stock bulb that you talked about there, now that's kind of like what mine has. I just have a stock 08 Ultra. That's one of our test bikes. Now, the difference between that stock halogen and your light is significantly different.
Yes, yes. About 40 to 45% brighter out of the exact same bulb. I can kind of show you both together. You can see the difference. And again, it's more than just coloration, it's illumination.
Nice.
Colors can be, we have different bulbs. We even have an extreme white bulb here that actually produces a bluer tinted light. A little bit of small blue coloration, but on high beam, pure white. Because what we found out, most of us are riders, we know when you need high beam, you need to be able to see.
Yes, definitely.
So a whiter, brighter color illuminates everything at night better. So blue is not a great illuminating color for nighttime. So what we found out is, if you flip on your high beam, we can give you a pure white beam in the same bulb. Low blue, high purple, or low purple or blue, high white, safety.
And you still are lowering the heat, and you're lowering the drag from the battery.
Exactly, exactly.
Now, see, that's what technology is good. That's what we like about new technology, and people who innovate use the new technology to the advantage of motorcycle riders. Because, ladies and gentlemen, you know as well as I do, safety is vitally important on a bike. If you can't see where you're going, you've got a major problem real quick.
Exactly.
Now, your company stands behind your product. What kind of warranty do you have with these?
With our bulbs, they're all 100% one-year warranty, no questions asked.
Okay.
Again, we try to stay in the stock wattage, stock heat range, so there shouldn't be any issues different than your stock bulb.
Okay.
So we warranty them 100%, no questions asked, for a full year. We also do, on our light kits, we produce, obviously, we're known very well in both the automotive and power sport industry for our innovative accessory lighting. The one thing we do different is we actually produce these reflectors. We build them. Well, everybody else buys them.
Where do you build them?
In Japan. We have a technical center in Japan that actually computer designs these reflectors. The reason we do that is so we can have different beam patterns. So a car, an automobile, has a basic driving pattern.
Yes.
Okay, automobiles don't lean. Well, at least maybe the ones you drive. The ones
No.
I drive don't lean, and that's
No.
how fast you are. And motorcycles lean.
Yes, they do.
So what you have is a problem in a beam pattern on an automobile that's a square pattern. So as you lean, it creates dead spots.
Yes, it does.
So what we have done is filled in those dead spots. So now we have full coverage, but it's controlled. So there's a 40-degree beam patterning in some of our lights that'll give you inside, outside, and all the way down past your headlight view.
Now that's nice. That's really nice.
And they are lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty.
Yeah, all of our lamp housings, our harnesses, our switches are all lifetime warranty. Our bulbs are all 100% one-year warranty, but everything else we make, including the switch and the harness, is lifetime warranty.
Outstanding.
Because we finish them inside. Ours
Well,
are completely finished.
that tells me, and it tells our viewers, that you believe in your product.
Very much so. Oh, yeah.
That's important. Well, Wayne, we appreciate this. Anything new that you got coming out on the market?
You know, there is some LED technology that I think all of us are looking at and working on. Obviously, our technical, studio and our technical division in Japan is looking at that. I think that's going to be the next wave of the future. LED, to do it correctly, to have forward lighting, is very expensive.
Yes.
So at this time, it's probably more expensive than you and I and probably some of the viewers would pay at this point. But I think with the technology, we're starting to figure out how to make this better and at a reasonable price where motorcyclists can take advantage of LED technology, which is very, very, very low draw. Almost no draw at all.
No draw on the battery.
Yep.
Outstanding. Well, if an individual is looking to get in touch with you,
Sure.
what's the best way to do it? You got a website?
You bet. www.PIAA.com. All of our stuff's on the website. We have media site. We have everything for the dealer, for the consumer, full information about our new products. So any questions they may have, they're more than welcome to look on that. There are 800 numbers on there. They can call anytime and talk to our customer service people.
Outstanding. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do with Wayne and PIAA is take that website and put it down at the bottom of this video clip. And that way all you have to do is take your cursor and put it on that. It'll be a hot link directly to your page.
Yep.
We've checked your page out. Got a lot of frequent questions and answers right there on the spot. And that's a good place to go to get all your questions answered, get the toll-free number, and get in touch directly with the customer service people, and they can direct you to a dealership that carries these products. Wayne, we really appreciate you taking the time with us today.
Thank you for coming by. Appreciate it.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for Two Wheel Thunder TV. We appreciate you being here with us today at the Dealers Expo in Indianapolis, Indiana.